Oh, she's gonna eat it. She's gonna eat her hand.
Who's talking? Oh. Did you like breakfast? Was it good?
Let me turn her head so you can kind of see both their faces now. Okay. We got Sky. No, we got Gabby. I'm sorry. We got Gabby. We got Skylar. Yeah, hi. Oops. Where you going? Where are you going? Oh, would you find something over there you want? It's almost like she was reaching to touch that. Did your sister scare you? Did your sister scare you? Huh? Did she scare you?
And that unhappy Harper?
Yeah, poor Harper. She's having a rough morning. Yeah. The girls are saying, Harper, come play. Come play. Come play with us.
Oh, I know.
Come play with us, yeah.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. She didn't last that long. We were excited for her. She did this last night too. She had it all over me. I'm sorry, baby girl. I'm sorry. I don't know how to help you. I don't know how to help you. Oh, baby girl. I'm sorry.
Whoop. Where are you going? Where are you going? Huh? Where are you going? Where are you going? Good morning. Good morning, girls. Oh, bless you. Oh, bless you.